wanted one of these things for 20 years and finally got one. I realize I've never had anything new in regards to motors. Everything I've had is used. I've got 7 Hondas, scooters and mopeds. I bought them all used and modified them and rebuilt them. I use and abuse my Hondas, man. I ride them. Never had anything brand new. So this is it, man. My own miles or hours put on it. No one else's. I'm gonna baby the hell out of this. I've never seen this. This to me is like cool. Different languages. I read this yesterday online. Oh, there she is. Damn, looks
Your
big.
baby?
Looks our baby. Oh yeah, we don't have no kids. This is our kid. Taking our kid out of here. Smoothness. Dang. Ordered online. Got this low-key case for it, and I found a dolly. So it's totally ready for voila, anything. I prepped it up yesterday. I'm gonna fire it up today for the first time. Labor Day 2020. Honest. Filling up my generator for the first time. Alright, so we're gonna start it up. Put it on. I think we're good to go. Let's see how many. Oh, the choke. Choke is on. Here we go. 7. Oh, I want to on 7. 8. It's first startup. Like a proud parent. We're hooking up the refrige. So I take it off Econo. Here we go. Plugging in my old ass refrigerator. Easy peasy. That's how you do it, man. Refrigerator. Running. Yeah! Pulled it off. We've got an AC running and got my refrigerator running off the Honda. That's all I wanted. That's all I needed. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Can't believe this. Green one is to the refrige. Orange is to the bedroom. Oh my God. And the AC is on. We did it, my dear. Pulled it off. The concept has been proven. I'm so freaking glad I got a Honda. Running it for 1 hour. I don't know if it's gonna come gushing out right now. Better get my bowl ready just in case if it does. I doubt it. Oh. Hummingbirds are all happy.